Hisense has introduced its new art TV, the Hisense S7N Canvas TV, designed to compete with Samsung's The Frame TV. This innovative TV displays artwork when it detects someone in the room and turns into a wall art piece when not in use, thanks to its art mode. Powered by Google TV, the S7N Canvas TV has now launched in the US market. The Hisense S7N Canvas TV, announced a few months ago, features a matte screen and is available in two sizes, 55 inches and 65 inches. The 65-inch model is currently available for purchase on Amazon and Best Buy. The TV comes in a teak frame with optional magnetic frames in various colors to match user preferences. Key features of the S7N Canvas TV include a 4K QLED display, a 144Hz Game Mode Pro with a variable refresh rate between 48Hz and 144Hz, multi-channel surround sound, and an RGB light sensor that adjusts color temperature and screen brightness according to ambient light. Additionally, it has a motion detector to manage the display of artworks based on room occupancy. Connectivity options on the TV include 4 HDMI ports, 2 of which are version 2.1, 2 USB ports, an RCA composite video input, and an RF antenna port. It also comes with a backlit voice remote control. Pricing for the Hisense S7N Canvas TV is $999 for the 55-inch model and $1,299.99 for the 65-inch model. In comparison, Samsung's The Frame TV is priced at $1,500 and $999 for the 55-inch and 65-inch models, respectively. Pricing for the personalized S7N Canvas TV frames has not yet been announced.